السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله هنبتدي نعمل ريفيجن على يونت 3. ويونت 3 بتتكلم عن البروبابيلتي. هنبتدي مع أول أسئلتنا. أول سؤال بيقول لي choose the correct answer. بيقول لي if the probability of the success of a student is 80% then the probability of his failure. probability هنا of success is 80%. يبقى his failure equal 1 minus 80%، لأن أنا هنا عندي السم بتاعت probability equal 1، فبتديني بالنسبة لي يبقى 100% minus 80% اللي هي equal 20%. 20% meaning 20 over 100 equal 0.2. يبقى the correct choice is D. If a fair die is rolled once, then the probability of appearing a number 7 is. طبعا احنا عارفين ان الفير داي all the numbers 1 sample space بتاعته from 1 2 3 4 5 6. طبعا مفيش number 7، فهنا بالنسبة لي ده impossible. يعني أنا هنا بالنسبة لي هيبقى 0 over 6 اللي هي equal 0. Which of the following may be a probability of an event؟ بيقول لي negative 0.5، فنيجاتيف 0.5 ما تنفعش تكون probability لأن مفيش probability بالنيجاتيف، ده ما تنفعنيش. اللي بعدها 1.2 برضو ما تنفعش لأن هنا ال probability more than 1، فدي wrong. 4 over 3 ده improper fraction، يعني الفاليو بتاعته more than 1 اللي هي equal 1 and 1 over 3، فده more than 1 ومفيش probability زي ما قلنا more than 1، فده بالنسبة لي كمان wrong. بيقول لي 37%، فده طبعا الكوريكت تشويس لأن 37% meaning 37 over 100، وده طبعا between 0 and 1، فده بالنسبة لي is the correct probability. Okay, next questions. بيقول لي if a coin is thrown 200 times then the expected number of appearing a tail. احنا عارفين appearing a tail or appearing ahead. طبعا احنا عارفين ان البروبابيلتي بتاعته البي اوف تيل اللي هي التي اللي هي number of tail over ns اللي هي النمبر بتاعت السامبل سبيس بتاعتي. فدي بالنسبه لي احنا عارفين من الكوين التيل appearance 1 times والسامبل سبيس بتاعتي 2. طبعا لان السامبل سبيس انا هنا عندي ايه اللي حصل لها، ان انا عندي هيد اور ايه اور تيل. فطبعا اللي حصل هنا ان الكوين is thrown 200 times. يبقى الاكسبكتد نمبر ل appearing a tail، الاكسبكتد نمبر طبعا بالنسبه لي هنا هيكون اقرب حاجه هنا الاكسبكتد نمبر هيكون طبعا بالنسبه لي هيكون هنا بالنسبه لي 99. السؤال اللي بعديه لان طبعا هتبقى هنا قريبه من الهاف بتاعت ال 200. اللي بعدها بيقول لي a basket has cards labeled by the number from 1 to 15. If a card selected randomly, what is the probability that the number on the card is divisible by 5؟ احنا طبعا عندنا الكاردز from 1 to 15، فاحنا عندنا from 1 الاس بتاعتي 1 2 3 to 15. بيقول لي a number is divisible by 5. numbers divisible by 5 احنا عندنا 5 from 1 to 15 5 10 and 15. how many numbers؟ there are 3 numbers. يبقى probability of the number is divisible by 5 equal 3 numbers over 15. 3 over 15 equal 1 over 5. The correct choice is A. Next one. As throwing a fair die once, then the probability of appearing a prime number. لما نيجي نتكلم على البرايم نمبر on the fair die، احنا عندنا البرايم نمبر 2 3 and 5. How many numbers? 3 over all total number in the sample space equal 6 equal 1 over 2 is 1 half. The correct choice is D. Next one. Complete the following. The probability of a certain event. Certain event, the probability equal 1. And the probability of impossible event, its value equal 0. If the probability that the student solved a question is 0.7, then the expected number of questions to be solved out of 20 questions. احنا عارفين ان probability of any event B of A example equal N of A over N of S. To get N of A equal B of A times N of S. Probability of solved questions is 0.7 times how many questions السامبل كلها equal 20 questions. يبقى 0.7 times 20 equal 14 questions. Okay, يبقى the correct the answer is 14. Question number 3. A garden has 5 doors numbered from 1 to 5. A visitor goes out. The probability that goes out of the fourth door. احنا عندنا هنا الدورز numbers from 1 2 3 4 5. probability ان هو goes out from the fourth door, meaning fourth doors is 1 door equal 1 over 5 total doors. For any event B of A belong to we know that B of A is more than or equal 0 and less than or equal 1, meaning the interval from 0 to 1. In the experiment of throwing a fair die once and observing the upper face, then the probability of appearing a number less than 4. All numbers less than 4 on the fair die is 3 2 1. How many numbers less than 4 is equal 3? يبقى equal 3 over 6. All total numbers equal 1 half. Okay, then the answer is 1 half. Next question. A group of cards numbered from 1 to 10. A card drawn randomly. Calculate the probability of drawing cards carries a number divisible by 3. First, we will write the sample space. Sample space equal 1 2 3 220. Okay. Next, number divisible by 3. N of S equal all the number equal 20. Number divisible by 3. I will let this is A and let this is B and let this is C. Probability of A equal N of A over N of S. How many number divisible by 3 from 1 to 20? We know that A will be equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. يبقى N of A equals 6 over totally 20. 6 over 20 divided by 2 equals 3 over 10. B of A equal the first one number divisible, the probability of a number divisible by 3 equal 3 over 10. Next one, a prime number. B, a prime number equal 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 90. From 1 to 20. This all the prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of prime numbers from 1 to 20 is 8. Okay. Next, B of B, probability of B of getting a prime number equal n of B over totally n of S. How many prime numbers from 1 to 20 equal 8 over 20 divided by 4 equal 2 divided by 4 equal 5. يبقى the second one is 2 over 5. Last one, probability of C. A number greater than A. What is the number greater than A? Greater than A is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. How many numbers greater than 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. P of C equal N of C over N of S equal N of S equal 12 over 20 divided by 4 equals 3 over 5. يبقى the last probability is 3 over 5. Next question. Question number 6. A box contains 3 red balls, 4 yellow balls, and 5 green balls. A ball is selected randomly. Find the probability of selecting a red ball, a white ball, not yellow ball. First, we will write the sample space. Let red ball is A, and let white ball is B, event B, and not yellow is C. Okay. This let. Okay. First, sample space, sample equal 3 red, 4 yellow, and 5 green. This all balls. N of S equal total number 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal 12 balls. Okay, I will calc each one. Number 1, probability of red B of A equal number of red, number of A over number of S. Okay, how many red balls? Red balls, 3 red balls, 3 over all balls, 12. 3 over 12 equal 1 over 4. Next one, I need to calc probability of B, probability of white ball equal N of B over number of S. In this experiment, there isn't any white balls. يبقى equal 0 over 12 equal 0. This is impossible even. Question number 2. Question number 3. Not yellow balls, meaning the ball may be red or green. Okay, يبقى B of C equal N of A, okay, plus N of A, meaning N of red, plus N of not yellow, may be red or green, N of green over N of S equal B of C equal how many red? 3 plus how many green? The green balls is 5 over 50 over 12 equal 8 over 12 equal B of C equal divided by 4 equal 2 over 3. Probability of not yellow ball equal 2 over 3. Next question. Question number 7. If a fair die is thrown once, find the probability of the following event. Getting a number greater than 3, getting a number less than 9, getting an odd prime number, getting a prime less than 1. First, we will write the sample space. S equal the number from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S equal 6 numbers. First, let the number greater than 3 will be A, event A. Less than 9 is B. Getting an odd prime number is C. Getting a number less than 1 is D. Okay. Getting a number greater than 3. Greater than 3. What is the number greater than 3 on the fair die? Is 4, 5, and 6. Okay. I will calc first one. First one equal B of A equal N of A over N of S equal N of A, how many numbers? 3 over totally 6 equal 1/2. Okay. Next one. Getting a number less than 9. What is the number less than 9 in the fair die? We have 8 and 7 and 6, but the numbers on the fair die is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 2, B of B equal N of B over N of S equal how many number is 6 over 6 equal 1. Okay. Next one, number 3. Getting an odd prime numbers. What is the odd prime numbers on the fair die? We know that the prime numbers on the fair die is 2 and 3 and 5. Who is the odd? The odd is 3 and 5. Yes, B of C, number 3. B of C equal N of C over N of S. How many numbers? 2 over 6. 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3. Question number 4. Getting a number less than 1. Okay. Question number D. Getting a number less than 1. Less than 1. There is no a number less than 1 on the fair die. يبقى D no a number. يبقى probability of D equal N of D over N of S equal 0 over 6 equal 0. This is an impossible event. Okay. Last questions. A box contains 60 similar balls. Some are red and the rest are blue. If the probability of drawing a red ball is 1 over 4, find the number of blue balls. Okay. Okay. First, I will calc the number of red balls. First, probability of red equal N of red over N of S. We know N of S equals 60. All the balls are equal 60. Yes, N of red from this N of red equal B of red times n of s equal how many red balls, how many probability of red balls equal 1 over 4 times how many all the balls equal 60. Quarter 60, quarter times 60 equal 15 balls red. 15 red balls. Okay. How can I calc the number of blue? Okay. Number of blue equal total number 60 minus the number of red 15 equals 60 minus 15 equal 45 balls. Okay. Next question, question number B. A class has 48 pupils. 18 of them are girls. If a pupil is chosen randomly, find the probability that the pupil is a boy. First, I will get the number of boys. Number of boys equal total number of pupils is 48 minus how many girls minus 18. 18 girls. I will get okay 30 boys. 30 boy. Okay. How can I get the probability of anything? Probability of a boy equal number of boys over n of s. How many boys? 30 over all the numbers 48. I will divide it by divided by 6 equal 5 divided by 6 equal 8. Then the probability of choosing a boy equal 5 over 8. Okay. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.